I think I'm done with the salon. It just took so long. I had to be really patient. So Jackie, you would suck at this. Don't do it.
Oh my God. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Clevver. I can finally scream that because I'm home alone right now. So as you guys know, we are still social distancing, which means
a lot of beauty things have really been difficult.
Obviously the whole stay-at-home order, but also non-essential businesses are closed.
Which means you can't get your nails done. I know I'm not alone. I know that there are some of you out there that are looking at your nails and you're crying. You're missing your nail lady.
But today, we are going to be following Simply Nailogical tutorials.
So we're gonna try to follow her tutorials and try to do our own nails in this video.
My cat's a risk taker, and so am I.
Now, obviously Christine has been around for a very long time. I never really watched her stuff because I just go to the salon. I'm lazy.
What better person's tutorials to follow than hers?
I think we all are following a different Simply Nailogical tutorial.
I'm going to be doing nail art on mine.
Did I already say I'm doing gel nails? I'm doing gel nails. I'm doing like glitter gel nails.
The nails are primed, they're prepped, and they are ready to get dipped.
One thing's for sure, my nails look ratchet and something needs to be done about them, so let's do this.
Getting my own dip powder off was a real struggle. It took a long time. I think I would use a different method. The method I used that based on everyone told me to was to soak a cotton ball in pure acetone, wrap it in foil, and leave it on your nails for 15 minutes.
Like that.
Wow. It did not come off in 15 minutes. It did not come off in 30 minutes. I didn't feel comfortable leaving it on any longer than that, so I ended up having to like physically scrub the rest of it off with a cotton ball and then kind of buff it down.
So what you wanna do first is you wanna buff, you wanna file, and you wanna push back your cuticles.
So let's do that.
Here we are.
Wow, that is a great shot. Yay me.
Here is what I have. So I picked 3 different nail polishes. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. For years, I just did my own nails. I didn't really want to spend that extra money on getting my nails done, but I've never done nail art before. This is gonna be something completely brand new for me. Okay, here we go.
First step, let's do this really easy heart cyclone design with a nice pink hollow glitter underneath.
I think I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow and do just a little arts crafts and see kind of how it turns out. Because I'm not very good at following directions.
Okay.
Apply liquid number 1. Oh, that's not mysterious at all. They call it the Pro Base.
Okay, base coat coming right up.
Okay, so she's putting this black coat on first before she puts on the glitter because it's like a holographic illusion.
Well, hello everyone, it's me, Christine, again.
I don't know if Loryn's doing the dip nails. To have to do that with her least dominant hand, that's gotta be really tricky. Wonder how she's doing.
Uh-oh, I already touched my nail. I think it's because I'm nervous and I'm shaking. I'm trembling. 45-degree angle. Boom, tap the excess. Well, we got one.
So what's going on in life, guys? I'm just gonna pretend like you're my nail lady and we're gonna talk about things that we would talk about. See, look, I applied the black first just so you can see. See. She did a test on using different polishes, different top coats, different whatever, to see what the glitter adheres to the best. And this yellow stopper was the best one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and apply, we can get it open, apply this to the top of the black because, oh, it's like butter. We're gonna apply this to the top of the black because that's what the glitter is gonna stick to.
All right, you guys, so my nails have dried and they look really good. Other than the nail polish around on the skin, which I'll take off with nail polish remover, I really like the shape and I like the color. I found this really cool teal color that I really like, and so I think I'm gonna do one nail with like an arrow or polka dots, one nail with glitter, and then one with like a diamond. We'll see how that goes.
All right, that's looking nice. Let's get crazy. Let's do this glitter. We're gonna do like a glitter situation because Christine did. Oh my God, look at that. He's so pretty. Look, Sean, I'm a nail type professional. We have 2 layers of the coral, 2 layers of the glitter. I wonder how Drew and Jackie are doing.
Oh my God. Oh, I love glitter so much. Oh my God, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, yes. Oh, baby.
I figured out what this thing is. It's basically a golden strip that you could put on your nails. And so I'm gonna try and test this out and see what it looks like if I can get it off. Boom. Okay. At this point, I'm just doing whatever. Look at that. It's pretty good. Boom, shakalaka. Look at those thumbs. I think on the ring finger, I'm gonna put the gold glitter. So it's a little bit of wetness. Now I'm gonna gold on it. Oh, oopsie. Too much, too much.
Okay, so here's where we're at. You can see how like thick it is. This is just starting to look real chunky.
Focus. Focus. Focus on me. Okay, well maybe you can see it from here. They look incredible. I think I'm gonna start crying. Like I feel like myself again. Like these look so good. I'm gonna put the gel top coat on because it looks like shinier that way, but you can do either a regular or a gel. This is so exciting, you guys. I haven't been excited about something in like a month. Yes! They're so pretty. Oh my God, uh-oh. Oh my God, why is it melting? Oh no, it dried like that. Ah! Oh no, no! Oh my God. Of all things, why does the top coat dry so easily? Now it's gonna up my nail. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bitch? I hate that lamp. Let me see if the other one will be better. Started melting. Oh, what the? I get to the finish line and it starts to melt. You guys don't want it. You don't need to see that.
Apply a coat of activator. Okay. This looks pretty. Wow, that smells very potent.
Maybe I should just say screw it and go all in. Maybe I should add a little bit of turquoise to these last 3 nails. I think what I'll do is maybe I'll try to do the little arrow and then like polka dots on the pinky. I'm not mad about this like green, white, and turquoise pattern. I'm not mad at that at all.
All right, I'm gonna stop filming and buff these nails down.
I'm gonna let this dry, then I'm gonna put the clear coat on top, and then after that, I'm gonna clean up the edges and I'll be back to show you guys the final product. I'll be back.
I am so impressed with this. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. I want more colors. I wanna go like surprise my husband. Hey, Sean. Okay, so this is the final result. I'm gonna see what Sean thinks. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, look at my nails.
They really don't look that much different than when you go get them done.
Took me 3 hours.
So, a lot of things went wrong at the end.
They're so pretty. Oh my God.
I put the top coat on and all of a sudden the lamp decided to melt things.
No.
And it just made everything kind of like runny. They look good like looking at them like this, but like I promise you up close, they're still kind of tacky and wet and not how they're supposed to be, and it makes me sad.
So I will say, I'm impressed with how well I did, considering the fact that, first of all, I've never done nail art in my entire life. Now, is this something that I would wear out? Probably not. I'd be very embarrassed to rock these nails only because they're all kind of, as you can see, like the polka dots and the lines are a little, they aren't perfect, and it's because I didn't use the stencils. As you can see, the stencils with the polka dots and the lines. If you just use the stencil, you could get a way better nail.
So I'm really, really freaking happy with this. I did a mid-range of a kit that came with everything that you need, plus more things than other kits came with.
Hi, biznatches.
Well, how was everybody's process? Did you guys find it hard to do the nails or like super easy?
It took long.
Yeah, mine took wait, what kind of nails did you guys do? I did gel.
Oh, I did dip.
Okay, well, I did nail design.
Oh, you did art.
Nail art, yes, I'm sorry, nail art. My nail art ended up being really bad, and it's, I think because I didn't have enough patience.
I think I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow. I'm not very good at following directions.
Let's see, because I want to know, I need a visual of what you talk about.
Okay, so here's the thing. I couldn't walk around with those nails. So
You took it off already? Text a picture right now.
I'm sending it to both of you guys in a group chat. Let me know what y'all think.
The dots are like perfect.
I'm zoomed in. They look really good.
Oh yeah, they look good.
Is there a theme?
There's, well,
It's kind of an ocean, and then the glitter is like the glisten off the ocean and the starfish.
Did you just make that up?
no, that was my vision the whole time.
At this point, I'm just doing whatever.
Okay, so mine are glitter. Can you see them?
Yeah.
They're glitter gel.
Are they matte glitter?
It's hard to see, so like in this camera I can see it better.
Okay, oh, that's better. That's actually way better. Oh, those look good.
That looks nice.
So they looked like so affable before I put the top coat on. Like they looked so good. I owed like 3 times. Then all of a sudden, when I put the top coat on, all of a sudden the little oven decided to be like 500 degrees and then just melted. And I was so mad. It like slid off my finger. It was disgusting.
I hope you put sunscreen on your hand before you put it in that oven.
Tell me about yours, Loryn.
I had a great experience, other than it took a very long time.
There's glitter on mine.
Ooh.
Those are great.
Depending on if I can get faster, I think I'm done with the salon.
Really?
Like, this is just as good.
Really?
It just took so long. I had to be really patient. So Jackie, you would suck at this. Don't do it.
I think yours are the best, Loryn.
I'm really happy with this kit.
I wish you guys could come over to my new nail salon. I could do dip on all of you.
That should be something when we get out of here. I would love for you to do my nails.
Oh no, you can, if we get out of here, you're on your own.